What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favre. In today's video, guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on Decentralized Social, which has pumped up just under 13% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $15. So as you can see, it's been quite volatile over the last last 24 hours. Let's say it's pumped up all the way up to $15, dropped down to $13, and right now pumping back up in value. So is it time to buy it? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market has not been performing too well today, as you can see, over 4% down. However, Decentralized Social has managed to gain the second spot in the top gainers list, which is absolutely insane. In the last hour, it has just about fluctuated at its current price range. Over the last day, 15% up. Over the week, again fluctuation, guys. We can see it dropping for most of last week, and right now it's pumping back up, and over the month it's down 25% in a 4 weeks time, which is not looking too good, guys. As you can see, even though it has been volatile, overall it has been moving more to the negative side rather than the positive side. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 300% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $3 million, which is still a decent amount of money that is currently being traded on Decentralized Social. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it has been getting a lot of attention. As you can see, 80% buy against 20% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart on the daily chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart. Before that, we've got the purple line running across the chart here, guys, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Deso or Decentralized Social at $15.15, and it is currently trading at $14.99, meaning it is performing as usual, like it's meant to, nothing too major. So yeah, it is on the spot. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart, and then for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming hours. However, nothing major. It's going to be a very minimal increase in value, potentially heading to around just over $15 is what I'm predicting, because, guys, as I've mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see crypto doing a decent amount of or huge increase in value in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little step back, and the exact same applies to Decentralized Social. So I'm expecting it to drop back down in value to around the 14 cents target before it pumps back up in value just above the $15 mark. So let's say towards the end of the day today, we should be more or less fluctuating around the $15.20, somewhere around there. No major increases are expected. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So we still got the blue line going, well, it's not looking bullish anymore, it's flat out going in a straight line, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So again, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, more or less, we should expect Decentralized Social to be fluctuating around the $15 mark with very minimal dips and peaks in between. But again, guys, the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side rather than the positive or negative side. So yeah, more or less fluctuating around the $15 mark. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Not looking as bullish as the previous two charts, guys. We do have the orange line looking bearish, and so is the blue line, but the blue line is not looking as steep. That's why we can't really tell the difference. But yes, the orange line is looking a little bit more steep. That's why we can clearly see it going in a negative direction. So let's say by mid to late December. So towards the end of the year, guys, we should expect it to be dropping in value quite a bit, lower than what it's worth at the moment, potentially dropping down to about $10 to $11 is what I'm expecting. And again, I'm not expecting a major drop out of nowhere. It's going to be a slow and steady drop over the next couple of weeks, guys. So do expect more red candlesticks over the coming weeks, potentially hitting about $10 to $11 towards the end of the year. But again, guys, these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Decentralized Social, and anything like that I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, as you can see, there isn't much we can do here because we are not even close to the resistance target of $42.81. In fact, we are quite far away from there, and as you can see, we are in the lower part of the red zone, meaning for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to go through over 150 to 200% increase, which I'm not expecting from Decentralized Social anytime soon. So more or less, guys, for the rest of the year, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, and potentially, hopefully, that obviously I'm expecting it to drop further over the coming days and weeks as well, but hopefully over the next few months, so let's say by beginning to mid next year, we should be able to slowly and steadily increase in value, heading towards the resistance target. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs, and especially how Bitcoin performs. For example, if we do see Bitcoin dropping to about 10-15k, of course we are going to see major drops in the crypto market. However, if it decides to pump up to about 25, 30, 35k, or even hit a new all-time high in 2023, which hopefully it does, then yes, guys, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market. But again, these things, nothing like that is predicted as of yet. It's a patience game. We're going to have to wait and see how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Decentralized Social, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys predict Decentralized Social to hit in 2022. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and a lot of negative comments around this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on Decentralized Social, a highly requested video, so I thought, you know what, let me make a quick one. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.